What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Today I have got a great juicing recipe for you, especially if you want to keep it low calorie. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's get into these ingredients. Let's get into a few benefits of these items. Apples contain low calories. One medium apple is equivalent to approximately 90 calories. Because of the high fiber content, you get this impression that you feel full, which in turn helps prevent overeating as well. Now for ginger, our powerhouse ingredient. Guys, get this. 1 tablespoon of ginger is equivalent to 4.8 calories. It also assists insulin management of glucose level. All right, lastly, for pineapples, guys, for 1 cup of a pineapple, that is equivalent to approximately 74 calories. These two have some fiber and a tremendous amount of vitamin C, which helps with metabolism. All right, guys, here we go. Time for the taste test. Wow, that is good. And that ginger really, wow, excellent.